Hi everybody, it's your boy Seth K Bani here. Now welcome back to another video. Now you all know this is a graphic design channel, yes, but if you are seeing a hamster combat on this channel as well, it's because the side hustle that I believe is going to help you to earn some online bills. Make sure you do not give your wallet code to anybody. Now I promise to give you free PSD files, and that's what I'm going to do in this tutorial. And so these are the files that I'm going to give you for today. Do not rush to get it. This is password protected, guys. This is password protected. Everything here is totally customizable. You can customize it, the images, the text, the backgrounds. You can totally customize everything. Okay, so let me show you what you stand to get. Now when you open it, this is how it looks like. Okay, all right, so now this is the adjustments that was placed on it, and then this is the design elements we placed on it. Okay, and then this is the party info or the text underneath it. Okay, and then this is the model itself. This is the girls on Friday, the theme itself. Okay, then that is the background. Okay, so that is it. Now if you want to replace the image, you have to go here, and then there is the image. You double click on it, and then you basically put your image there, and then it will reflect over here. Okay, so it's basically as simple as that. Okay, and then there's the background blur that was also added to it, background frame. Okay, so guys, this is it. Almost all of them. Let me show you how to customize the text now. This elements. Okay, so this one, some blurs were added to it. Okay, also this one as well is customizable. Like I told you, it's customizable. And then the party info, you can see I do not have their text. I do not have it. But then how do I know the text that a person used? You just have to go and click the the character there, and you can see be wise text. The guy used be wise text. So all I can do is go online, go and type be wise font, download it, and then install it, and then have it available for me to use in Photoshop. Okay, so you can do that too. Oh, this one is also what, go bold up low. So all these you can go and then get it for yourself. So guys, that also applies to all of them. Now it's password protected, and so you have to watch this video. By now you should have gotten all the 3 passwords. Okay, there are 3 passwords. They are all in capital letters. Get all these 3 passwords, put them together, and then you'll be able to download this file. I love you all guys. See you in the next video. Peace out.